Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread the only way. First, gather your ingredients: 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Combine these in a large bowl, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. This initial step is vital for a successful loaf. Now, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 10 minutes. You'll notice it becoming smooth and elastic. Next, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl and let it rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in size, which typically takes 1 to 2 hours. Once your dough has completed its first rise, gently punch it down to release the air. This step helps create a finer crumb. Turn the dough onto a clean surface and shape it into your preferred loaf. You can make a round boule or a traditional rectangular loaf. Place it in a greased loaf pan or on a baking sheet for its second rise, about 30 to 60 minutes. Finally, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your beautiful loaf for 30 to 40 minutes, or until it's golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped on the bottom. Let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. This ensures a perfect texture. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your delicious homemade bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.